morning. The streets are wet and some patchy fog here may impact that morning drive, but don't let these warm temperatures fool you. Even though we're seeing temperatures near 60 degrees for the Charlotte metro area, mid to upper 50s across the Piedmont, got some big changes coming later today with a strong cold front that's going to be passing through the area. Now ahead of this, we have those winds out of the southwest that's pulling in all of that warm, moist air, leading to some showers and even some pockets of heavier rain crossing north of Charlotte. We're at 60 degrees in Salisbury, 59 in Statesville, 54 for you in Boone. Taking that regional view, you can see that wet weather stretching across the Carolinas, but off to the west here into eastern Tennessee, the rain is ending and drier air is sliding in as this cold front is carving its way towards the east coast. We will see those changes begin by early afternoon for the mountains. Now that rain will be ending here shortly after lunchtime. Temperatures in the low 60s at this point of the day, but once that front passes through, those winds will be transitioning out of the northwest and temperatures are going to be dropping. We're going to see those temperatures fall into the upper 40s to low 50s by dinner time here for the mountains. Across the rest of the region, still staying warm through the early evening, but temperatures will plummet overnight after that front passes through and moves off the coast. We're going to see those temperatures tomorrow morning in the 20s and 30s across the region with those gusty winds and a wind advisory in place for the mountains through early tomorrow morning. Now with this colder air setting up, we are going to see some more significant changes heading into the second half of your week. We have this low pressure system here off over the Great Lakes and a developing low that's going to be sitting over the east coast. With this colder air funneling into the mountains, that is going to create that environment here with that upslope flow leading to some of that mountain snow here in the first mountain snow, I should say, first significant snow of the season. As we move into Thursday evening, we will see the snow pick up across the mountains, and we're going to see some of those totals here between 4 and 5 inches for some of the highest elevations above 4,500 feet. Below that point, we could see up to an inch to 2 inches here for areas like Boone into Blowing Rock, and even a couple of flurries for parts of the northern foothills, but little to no accumulation is expected. Now that chilly temperature is going to be, chilly temperatures here are going to be impacting the region through Friday, waking up to wind chills in the teens and 20s. As we pass through the day Friday, that will be the coolest of the week with highs in the low 50s, but high pressure filling in this weekend will help those temperatures rebound back towards seasonable highs in the upper 50s to low 60s, with that warming trend continuing through the early part of the next week before Thanksgiving. That's your latest weather-wise 7-day. Over to you, Lauren.